So the stovepipe's all hooked up. We put our last clamp on right here. All the rest are screws for the stovepipe, but I put a clamp there. Didn't have an 8-inch, so I bought a 6-inch and a 1 3/4 inch and put them together. You can see the two pieces right there. I think you can see them. And I put the front in. I normally do not use it like this, but I thought, what the heck, I'm going to try it. I don't know if we've ever done it, maybe once before. You can see it's on the granite and the quartzite. And we got the aluminum background. And we have a small fire going. And we have Molly over here waiting to go. Molly, you ready to go? Okay, so I think we better close it up and call it a night. Gotta close this down though, so it's all good and safe.